Hi everyone! So finally I'm arrived home. I had a really busy day and now I'm so tired. But this is a dinner time, so I make my dinner. I make the stuffed zucchini, so we need only zucchini, minced meat, garlic, grounded chili, grounded pepper, cheese, onions, sour cream, and my homemade delicate. If you don't know how it's made and you're so interested in it, so you can find one of my earlier video and you can check this out. I will cook some rice too, but I don't show you because I know you can do it. But I make some sauce with this. It's only sour cream we need, salt, and this is my homemade mayo. So just as like the delicate, you can find this one how it's made, one of my earlier video. So let's start it. This is a zucchini, and now we have to mix it well, the meat, onions, and with some chili, grounded pepper, and the delicate. So now I just put it in onions, obviously all, some pepper, some chili. I really like spicy. Spicy is good. And my delicate. Okay, this one. This much. So now what is going on? Kids usually like that. So let's do it. So now it looks like this. So I just put them in to the zucchinis. Now this is the garlic, and now I just put some on. Next up is a sour cream. And it's cheese. And now switch on your oven and heat it up 180 Celsius. And now I put it in only 35 minutes. My zucchini is ready now, so it looks like this. I think it's gorgeous and smells it's amazing. I can't wait to eat, but unfortunately my rice still cooking. It isn't ready yet, so now I have to wait. But isn't it so good? Isn't it so gorgeous? I think it is. While my rice is cooking, I can make my sauce for rice. I need only sour cream, my homemade mayo and salt. So the only what I have to do is mix it well and that's all. So it isn't hard to make. Good. It's so good, I like it. Just put it in small. Oh, okay. That's all. So now everything is ready except the rice. So now I have to wait some minutes, about 10 maybe, and it's ready. And after, finally, I can eat my delicious dinner. I can't believe finally it's ready. Sauce, the zucchini with some rice. Finally I can eat. So if you like my video, please share, like, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.